Welcome dear students. There is a new job notification for the Numaligarh Refinery Limited. It is based in Assam. It is for the post of GET, that are graduate engineer trainee. This is for the entry level officers. Okay. So there is some information about the Numaligarh Refinery Limited. It is a Mini Ratna PSU under Ministry of Petroleum and Natural Gas. Has a 3.0 MMTPA refinery at Numaligarh. It is in the Golaghat district of Assam, and the marketing terminals are at Numaligarh, Assam, and Siliguri in the West Bengal. Okay. Other important things, you can see this notification on the website. I will be posting the link in the description. Now these are the details of the vacancies for the civil GET. As per two grades are there, E2 and E1. So for GET civil, mechanical, instrumentation, electrical, chemical, you can see there are E2 grades, and these are the bifurcations. For the civil, there are total 6, mechanical 20 seats, instrumentation 11, electrical 8, and chemical 10 posts are available there. And the bifurcation as per your category is written here. You can see here, pause the video and watch it. There are some other posts also for E2 category from the branch of computer science and metallurgy. So 5 posts for the computer science graduates and 1 for the metallurgy graduate. Now at the post of assistant officer commercial and accounts officer, this is not very related to engineers. This is for MCom, BCom people. This is at E1 grade, and the other categories and sub classifications are given. We are not much interested in it. Now what are the dates to remember? That application form begins from 24th July and the last date is 13th August at 11:59. So please keep a note. If you are interested in this vacancy, interested in post, then you should immediately fill this form. Next we have the requirements, qualification requirements that are given here. So in general, for all the engineers at the E2 category post, the first class degree in the discipline is required. It should be a full 4-year full-time degree, and you should have a minimum of 65% marks in the aggregate. Okay, this is the same for all the branches of engineering, be it civil or be it metallurgy. The upper age limit for this vacancy is 30 years, and there is no experience required for this post. Okay, this is a post for the freshers, so you can apply it. Okay, as on 1st of July, your age should be 30 years. Then these are some qualifications required for assistant officer commercial and accounts officer. Then what are some of the terms and conditions? You can go in detail if you're very much interested. I will skip it for now. This is the pay scale for the E2 and E1 categories. We are much more interested in the E2 category. The job grade is second. The pay scale is between 50,000 to 1,60,000, and the CTC, that is the cost to company, is approx 17.7 lakhs. So it is a very good opportunity. If you are interested, you can apply again. Okay. Then selected GETs will be on a training period for 1 year. There is a training period for 1 year in which they will be given a consolidated stipend per month. Okay. After the completion of this training, they will be considered for placement as officers. So placement, the candidates may be posted at any location, department, function or branch depending on the requirements. The selection process, it includes a test, that is a computer based test, a personal interview and a group task of the shortlisted candidates. All the candidates who claim the eligibility criteria can give the computer based test. After in the document verification process, other documents will be verified. Okay. What are the different things that will be asked in your computer based test? So section A, it will be technical, related to your domain. Section B will be with regards to general knowledge and current affairs. Section C will be section C will be for English, and section D will be for reasoning. Then 80% questions will be from section A. This is important, that 80% questions will be from section A, that is your core domain. So you should focus much more on that. Next, again there are some different scoring models given. That for CBT test, computer based test, for this exam 85% weightage is given, for group task 5%, for interview again 10%, and the final score will be the combined scores of all this. Now there is a surety bond also of a rupees 3 lakhs to serve the company for a period of 3 years after successful completion of training. So 1 year training plus 3 years of service to this particular company. You assure it with a surety bond of rupees 3 lakh. In case you plan to resign or leave up this job, then you need to pay 3 lakh to this company. Okay. Then there will be a medical exam in regards to your employment. It will be before the final employment is given. They will ask you to give a medical exam. Then the fees is around 500 rupees. There are some relaxations. Let me see. There are some other details for age limits, for categories, different categories. You can see it in the notification. The link will be given in the description box. So the application process, it begins at 24 July. The date has already started. It is available till 13th of August. No local conveyance will be paid for the exam giving process. You need these documents in required desired formats. You can again pause this video and see it. Okay. There is a fee of 500 rupees for the category candidates who are from general, OBC, non-creamier and EWS, that is economically weaker section candidates, are required to pay an application of rupees 500, while SC/ST and physically backward candidates are exempted from the payment of application fee. Okay, payment mode can be any of the above, and application fee once paid will not be refunded under any circumstances. Okay, so think and then you can apply. There are further some general instructions given to you. You can go them in detail. This was all about this job. This is the website www.nrl.co.in. You can visit here and get a detailed insight about this. So this was all. Thank you. I will provide you another job notification very soon.